Here we are in the barn. Here's the little dish that the rainwater goes into. Hey, Polly, that's Polly. Oh, Polly, you don't want to go out there. I guess you do. I want to do milk. You just bag up on that one side, don't you? Okay, and there's one of her babies. That's one of Puff's babies. That's Van Gogh. That's vice versa. There's Vivian, who's about the kid, I think. There's another one. I think that is Shumei. Yeah, isn't he a pretty boy? That's Puff's boy. I think he's an albino. You see the pink eyes and nose? He's a pretty boy. And here is the cutest, just born a few days ago. Well, let's see, has it been a week? When were they born? When were you born, sweetie? Little helicopter head, propeller head. This is one of Puff's babies. Where's Mama? Where's your sibling? That is Wild Cherry. I think you may remember Wild Cherry. She was Vivian's baby. She's half La Mancha, half Boer. Hey, cutie. You're so new, I haven't even named you yet. Name's got to start with X. And you're the little girl, I think. Where's your little brother? Your twin brother.